Hello, friends. Today I'm going to tell you how to clear all the cache data from your Google Chrome web browser. So, when you do this, you will experience that your browsing speed will increase and easily you can go to websites. It will not get stuck much. So, let's have a look at how we are going to do that. Click Google Chrome. Here you will see three dots over there. Click on it and go to more tools and then clear browsing data. Click on that. Here you will see two options, advanced option. In the advanced option you will see lots of checkbox to tick, passwords and other sign-in data, autofill data. So I'll go for basic one. Here you will see these three boxes to tick. I don't want to delete my browsing history, so I will untick it and then click clear data. It will delete all the cached images and files. Yes, it's cleared now. Right, that's all for that. And please subscribe us. And if there's any errors occur when you do that, put any comments if you have. Like it. If you click the bell icon, you will see more videos when I upload. All right, thanks. Bye.